you very much. So, step one, your videos have to be very entertaining. You see all those guys that always dance and do all those all those kind of things that they do. It works. I'm telling you, it works. All right. So look for ways to create entertaining videos. All you people that dance, keep dancing. Dancing is good. All right. You will lose weight. You will be fit. Your heart will be happy. And Instagram algorithm will be happy too. Your audience will be happy too. All right. Dance is good. So be entertaining, fun, make your videos interesting to watch, make it fun, make it grab attention, and make us laugh. All right. We like comedy. So if we're laughing, it's good. If it's funny, it's good. If it's somewhat, just make it entertaining. Let me just put it that way. All right. I don't say too much about that. Entertaining. That's just basically it. All right. Understand that, as I always say, people do not come to Instagram to buy things. People do not come to Instagram to learn things. People come to Instagram to be entertained, right? They're just looking for amebo, right? But while looking for amebo, what happens? They can learn. They can buy things. Do you understand? So you have to find a way to make your content connect with what they are already looking for, or what they're already there for. They're already there for entertainment. So find a way to make your content be entertaining, right?